What's going on, guys? Here with another video covering my Robinhood portfolio. The progress in the portfolio today kind of took a downward turn here. The stock market has been trending down today. As you can see, the portfolio is down a total of 2%. Went down by $38 during the day and $14 in after hours trading. Now that $14 downward turn is actually my fault. I took a little bit of a gamble on ALBC here, American Outdoor Brands. I was banking on their earnings report going well. As you can see, it came out after hours and the report was bad. So I will be tucking my tail on this one, taking my losses and selling this in the AM. But some of the trades I made today, bought more of First Solar. So I told you guys in the last video I had one share in with First Solar, wanting to get more in. Kind of bought in on them at around 440 and they finished the day at 40. Kind of wishing I was a little more patient. They did go down to $39.52, but I was very, very nervous about them trending upwards, and I didn't want to miss that. So instead, I took this little journey of them trending downward. Also bought some more of SunPower. Had one share with them. Might be selling one share of SunPower and one share of First Solar to convert those over to Ally, so I can beef up my financial standing more within the portfolio. Anyhow, the reason for the downward today tends to be just technology is pulling back once again. So this has been a trend for technology for the last month and a half, 2 months here. They break records and then they pull back about 3 to 5%. So as you can see here, Microsoft was down 2% and Qualcomm was down 2%. But those are not the only technology stocks that went down. You can see Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Nvidia, and Google, or FANG. They were also down between 1 to 5%. So the technology sector actually pulled the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ back some, even though the financial sector and the energy sector held strong. So like I mentioned, I have a video coming out in regards to why I will be taking a stronger position with Ally. So won't go into too much detail right now. But yeah, so technology pulled back. We can see a downward turn in pharmaceuticals as well, although PTLA finished with about 1% forward there. The rest of the pharmaceuticals, which do not have a strong effect on my portfolio, those took a downward turn as well. But the bulk of the blame for the pullback of my portfolio goes to Microsoft and Qualcomm and AMD. So not gaining but not losing much as well. So we can see GE down by about 0.1% today. Vivint down by about 2%. SunPower 1% and First Solar 1%. So they did have a downward trend today, but auto and technology is the main culprit for pulling back my portfolio. Well, guys, that's all I have today. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.